A little over a week ago, the news was announced that Donald Trump has won the presidential election and will become the 47th president of the United States. I can't express how grateful I am that Kamala Harris has been defeated. Had Harris won, the unborn would have been put at greater risk than ever before. However, just because Harris has been defeated does not mean the pro-life movement can sit back and relax on the legislative and legal front. Our fight for the unborn continues. Prior to becoming a politician, Donald Trump was an individual that supported abortion and called himself a Democrat. Once he began running for the 2017 presidential election, Trump announced that he was now pro-life and would be taking pro-life action if he became the president. During Trump's presidency, starting in 2017, he did make some strides that truly impacted the unborn in an excellent way. One example of this was that he appointed many pro-life Supreme Court justices, which led the way to the overruling of Roe versus Wade. I applaud Donald Trump for his role in abolishing Roe. This case led to the deaths of over 63.5 million preborn people. However, when it came time to start campaigning for the 2025 presidency, Trump let it be known that he was not going to be campaigning on a 100% pro-life basis. In my own home state of Michigan, Trump joined Tudor Dixon for a discussion about why she lost her political race against Governor Gretchen Whitmer. And Trump had said that the reason he felt Tudor Dixon had lost the race for governor against Whitmer was because Tudor Dixon did not have exceptions for abortion, but had run on a 100% pro-life ticket. I think it's fair to say that the entire pro-life movement felt betrayed by Donald Trump when he announced that he was going to be running with these exceptions and encouraging other politicians to hold exceptions. Abortion exceptions are not compassionate, loving, or humane, and they are not a good strategy for winning political races. I struggled myself personally as I was praying over who to vote for in the 2025 presidential election. I felt that Trump had abandoned the unborn child and sided with the abortion industry by supporting exceptions that merely lead to more child killing. The unborn have a right to our defense, and Trump failed them when he announced that he would not take a strong stance for life. Now here we are a few months later, and Donald Trump has won the election. Thank God that Harris was defeated. How should Donald Trump proceed regarding the unborn child now that he has been elected as the 47th president of America? He must take a strong stance for human rights and oppose violence against all preborn babies. This means that Trump should advocate for a national abortion ban and do everything within the power of a president to advance protections for defenseless Americans in the womb. If we are to have hope of Donald Trump enacting pro-life laws and taking pro-life action, then advocates against abortion have to be loud. We have to let President Trump know that the American people want legal protection for babies in the womb. Every child should be safe from violence no matter what, but many places in our country right now allow for babies in the womb to be slaughtered for any reason. This is an injustice, and we must not stop raising our voices and holding politicians accountable until every mom and baby is safe from abortion.